Once you've completed your rendered design, you can then show this as an engineering drawing, also known as a third angle orthographic drawing. So you click this down arrow here where it says design, then go to drawing, go from design. The sheet size is there, A3, that's fine, so press OK. It will now automatically change the page, and a white page will appear on the screen in a few seconds. So we're on the base view, that's been selected automatically. This seems a bit small for me, so I'm just going to click on the scale, change it to, actually try 1 to 2. I'm going to put this quite low down on the page so we can fit it all in. So I'm going to click that view there. Then go to the next icon along from the base view to the projected views. Click on the base view and it now gives you different views of the product. So we want side views here, that side and that side, right and left. And then we want to project this is now the plan view, looking directly down on this product up there. And we can also have a 3D view. That one's not going to quite fit in there, but I'm just going to put that one here. If you wanted, you could put a 3D view in. In fact, actually, I'm just going to leave that one. Just keep it the 2D views at the moment, but it's up to you. You can put a 3D view in if it fits. Okay, so after you've done that, you can click this tick here. Okay, that's completed. What you could do next is, if you just scroll along, you can see there's dimensions. So you should always have dimensions on this type of drawing, because this is an engineering drawing or a third angle orthographic. It's designed to show the engineer exactly what size the parts are, so the product can be manufactured. So you basically click either side of the point you want to find the size from. So you click this point here and this point here. And drag down. And then just click again and it does it for you. So you might want to show how wide the handle is, for instance, and how large the front is, and the sides. You can also show the width of the drawer, for instance. Just be careful to keep these straight. Possibly the width of the handle. Always have dimensions off the actual drawing though. Okay. Okay, so next you go along, continue along here, you go to where it says table. If you click table, and it gives you an option to put the table in here onto the page. So if I click there, unfortunately that's taken over the drawing, but if you just double click on where it says description, you can untick description and that now fits in. So this is actually a parts list with the item, the quantity, part name and material. So that is the engineering drawing completed with the part list. Let's close this. And the last thing you can do is add text box here. And you can put a title in. So I'm going to go right across the top there. So third angle orthographic drawing. I'm going to highlight what I've just written, go to where it says height, and change this to 10. Let's enter. Okay, so that now explains, or titles, what this page is. There's just one thing about this drawing. I think there's probably too much detail in this part here, so we could just get rid of this point here. So you can always highlight and press delete. Okay, you could always put that size in over here, for instance, because it's the same handle, it's just a different angle of drawing. So just look to try and clean up the drawing a bit if you can. Okay, so that's the third angle orthographic drawing, or also known as engineering drawing with the parts.